to my channel. Pelte sabko tashile namaste. So guys, it's a new day, and yeah guys, like those who don't know, my name is Tenzin and I'm an MBBS student currently studying in Rajasthan. And yeah guys, so today's vlog, it's like I'm going to combine a few days of my in my life, and yeah guys, share it to you. So right now I'm going to go for grocery shopping. This is my bag, this is what I'm wearing, and yeah guys, so we're gonna go do cooking today. Like us Notice girls, we are going to go do cooking today and eat together. So I'll show you how it goes, and yeah guys, enjoy. Bye bye, let's go for shopping. This is the weather right now guys in Rajasthan, Bikaner. Like pehle wo jagah pe it was all trees, but they cut it all down. I don't like it. Like before it was better, it gave me Noticed vibes, and this also they cleared it all up, but it's fine. It needs to be done with season. It will come back next year, but by then my room will be also be changed. And this is my small balcony, which I've showed in so many of my vlogs. We have to close that room. That's good. Oh, there's paneer. Strawberry.
Sky's the limit.
We should not go. Huh? We are not allowed to, no? And back to hostel. Cook. Back.
This is so amazing.
Yeah.
Such a disaster. My side wala.
Strawberry. Yeah. Take out the. Oh, paneer. Main ingredient. Move timber rice. Okay then.
Help out like you should. It's a burden that you never really understood. But Caroline, I'm doing fine. It's the others who are dying.
Coffee break.
Light a candle or curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes. And you're breaking, but you're faking. Nothing's ever wrong. And concealing what you're feeling, always standing strong. But you don't need
Hi guys, so right now I'm going to go out with my friend. मतलब we are going to go to a doctor. उसका कुछ किसी जानने वाले का केस दिखाना है, and then we are going to eat panipuri. So yeah guys, let's go with me. Bye bye.
When you come falling down, 'cause there's no healing when you're not feeling anything at all. Light a candle, curse the dark, it's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, shake away the heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Be a burden or a prize. Stick around or say goodbye. Just don't close your eyes.
And back to hostel. Time हो रहा है 6:21.
The next day.
So hello guys, and it's another day and it's evening, like around 5:30. So I'm going to go out to play basketball, and it's after so long because I was having exams, so I stopped playing. Now yeah guys, so I'm going to show you the court and a little bit of the play. Okay guys, bye.
झांकती है जिसमें दो पगली सी अखियां तेरी मेरे आंखों में लिखी है ये अर्जियां
चलो बास्केटबॉल खेलना.
प्यार की बोली में मीठी मीठी सी पत्तियां तेरी मेरी सांसों की रेशमी सी डोरियां मांगे मंजूरियां मांगे मंजूरियां मांगे मंजूरियां मंजूरियां
तारों की छाव में खेलते हुए single तारे there. Hey everyone, so that was it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, even if you didn't do, please keep supporting and please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to make much better videos. Keep suggesting in my comment section, and yeah guys, that's it. I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye guys, have a good day, good life, bye bye.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck.